There's a story written in love on an old rugged cross. That cross was not just suffering, it was salvation. They nailed him there, but love held him there. For me, for you, for all of us. So I will cherish that old rugged cross. I will hold it close to my heart till my burdens turn into glory, and His grace carries me home. When I was broken, He restored me. When I was lost, He found me. You are forgiven, you are loved, you are redeemed. So I will never let it go. I will lift it high, I will testify. Hallelujah.